I will name it for you. This is, who's this? Her dress is hot. Only my dress? Only my dress with memories? Oh my goodness. Is that it, husband now? Huh? Is this it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 7. Look, it's only 7. You're beautiful. Ah, thank you. Oh, hot, beautiful, and gorgeous. And that's my yang. My back is pain. I have backache, guys, because I'm old already. I already old. That's why I have backache. Backache. You know, guys, I have two. What's this? I want to. Really, these persons are all your husband. Yes, Kiran. Oh, I put it in my pillow. You're not old yet. No, I'm old because I have backache already. No, you forget the one that's not on the pillow. He's gone be mad. Not He's not coming. He's not coming. You mean Rambo? He's not coming to my live now. But he's coming to the live of Jen and Karen. Karya. We have had only 7. I have 7 husbands. Look. They are so handsome. They are so pogi, guys. Oh. Let me see. They're not pogi. They're not pogi. Oh, look. Oh. They're not pogi for me. Okay. For me, they're not pogi. Ten plus babies. So still 8. 7. I think those people are pop singers. They are BTS. BTS idol. You know them? You know my husband, Kiran? Kiran, you know my husband? Did you know them? See, now you have 9 husbands. No worries. It's a joke. Give me a husband, guys. I want husband. I want more. I want to collect husband. Pangtang man. It's a real silver. Who are others? She one gift, not husband. No, I want husband. 7 on the pillows with memories and Rambo. Who's Rambo? Hi, Ruben. Good evening. It's already evening here. Good evening, Ruben. Look, there's a ring.